Harshavardhini and I am pursuing BTech IT at Banariman Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain the circuit which is designed for air quality sensor, and here is the model. I am going to explain it. Before I am just going to give a small intro about it. As we guys know already, we are in the COVID-19 pandemic period, right? So it is very important to maintain the norms of social distancing and keeping oneself indoor. In the regard to means of catching the odds of the virus, the work from home has been increasingly adopted, which leads to the culture of utilizing the household buildings for such a longer period of time. So, this culture, this practice, can be ensure the compliance of COVID 19 standard operating procedures, which is normally known as SOPs. But at the same time, they can be adversely affect the indoor air quality systems. Due to this enforcement of lockdown, people are now spending almost 90% of their indoor, causing the pollutant level as much as high time 100 times the level of encountered outside, right? So therefore I have created this air quality sensors, and there are several monitoring solutions which are available commercially. A typical system monitors the air quality using gas and particle sensors. These sensors reading are compared with well-known thresholds and generating alarms when the thresholds are violated, so that we may able to uh, know there is a change. There is a contaminated air inside, right? Okay. However, the system do not predict the quality of air for the future instances, but which holds a parameter importance for taking timely preemptive actions, especially for COVID 19 actuals and the potential patients, as well as people suffering from the acute pulmonary disorders and health problems. So, now let me show you the uh, design, and let me start the simulation. Okay, wait. Okay. Now, when the contaminated air, which may consist of NH3 or a CO2 or NO2 or CH4 or CO2, or which consists of almost to 2.5 pm, and when the contaminated air is away from the gas sensors, it is displaying as it is normal. And whenever we are increasing the distance, whenever we are decreasing the distance, it is displaying gas detected. And when we move further, it is showing us dense gas detected. And at a point when we are almost closer to the glass sensor, it is showing as emergency. And let me show you with the code. So we can see that when there is a change in the value, when there is change in the distance, it is showing as 550, and when it is totally away from it, we may see the change in the values in the serial monitor. Right. So this is the model that I have designed for air quality sensor. So thank you.